Hey Columbia, today I'm going to show you how to make a coil turtle. What you're going to need for this coil turtle is a ball of clay, a sharp toothpick. I'm also going to give you this square toothpick and a bowl of water. You're going to start by removing a small piece of clay from the turtle. Now this piece of clay is going to make the head, the 4 flippers, and the tail. The rest of the clay you're going to roll into a coil, and a coil is a pottery technique that's been used for thousands of years across the world, and it's nothing more than rolling a snake, which I know many of you have done with clay, Play-Doh. So you're just going to roll your snake like this, just right on your desk, and you want this coil to be uniform or the same thickness kind of all the way around. You just apply a little pressure and you roll it out. The longer and thicker the coil is, the bigger your turtle will be. So if you need more clay, just ask. Okay, so now I have a pretty long coil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by making it into a letter C. And I'm going to tuck the end. I'm going to roll it, roll it, roll it. And I'm going to make it kind of looks like a snail or a cinnamon roll. And when I get to the end, I'm just going to rub it so it's smooth right there. Now the part that you're looking at is actually the back. So this is where we're going to attach all the parts of the turtle. And the reason why we're doing it on the back is so that we don't see all the seams. So I'm going to take a piece off for the flippers, and I'm going to make 4 flippers. Mine's going to be a sea turtle, so that's why I'm calling them flippers. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I have a head. And if you want a tail, you can add a tail. I'm going to take a little bit from this one to make a tail. Okay, so now I have the head, and I have 4 flippers and a tail. So I'm going to set it up just like if I was drawing a person. So head, arm, leg, just like that. So that's why you know where to put it. And in order to get these attached to here, you have to do something called scoring. And this is probably the most important part. If you don't score your clay, the pieces could fall off. So to score, I make a hashtag sign or an H with 2 lines through it. And I also do one here and one here. Anywhere where you want to attach. There's also like a tic-tac-toe board to think about it the easiest. And what this does is it makes the clay rough, and it makes it easier, or it makes the pieces stick in place, which is definitely what you want. All right, so then I'm going to do the same thing on this flipper. You're then going to stick your finger in water, and you're going to pretend like the water is glue, and you're just going to put like a dot of water on top of your hashtag, and you're going to stick it to the hashtag that you drew. Okay, easy. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Tic-tac-toe board.